Hey everyone, Verizon or Optimum, we compare speed, pricing, and reliability to help you choose the better internet provider for your home or business. Verizon is generally the better choice for reliability, long term value, and customer experience, while Optimum is best for those who can access its highest fiber tiers or want a lower initial cost. Always check availability at your specific address as both providers' offerings vary by location. Price and speed comparison Verizon versus Optimum. Verizon Fuse plan Fuse 300 Mbps. Download or upload speed 300 Mbps by 300 Mbps. Monthly price with auto pay $49.99. Price guarantee 2 years. Note free equipment, no contract or data cap. Fuse 500 Mbps. Download by upload speed 500 Mbps by 500 Mbps. Monthly price $74.99. Price guarantee 3 years. Fuse 1 gig. Download by upload speed 940 Mbps by 880 Mbps. Monthly price $89.99. Price guarantee 4 years. Fuse 2 gig. Download by upload speed 2300 Mbps by 1500 Mbps. Monthly price $109.99. Price guarantee 4 years. Feels low income or discounted. Download by upload speed varies. Monthly price as low as $20. Price guarantee varies. Verizon 5G Home. Plan name 5G Home. Download speed 85 to 300 Mbps. Monthly price with mobile bundle $35. Standard price no bundle $50. Price guarantee 3 years. Here is the note: no equipment or installation fees. Unlimited data. 5G Home Plus 302,000 Mbps. Monthly price $55. Standard price no bundle $70. Price guarantee 4 year. Note: no equipment or installation fees, unlimited data. Optimum. Plan name Optimum 300 Download speed 300 Mbps. Monthly price Air 1 $40. Monthly price after promo $110. Notes: cable or fiber pricing increases after 12 months. Optimum 500 download speed 500 Mbps. Monthly price $60. Monthly price after promo $130. Note: cable or fiber pricing increase after 12 months. Optimum 1 gig download speed 940 Mbps. Cable by fiber. Monthly price $70. Monthly price after promo $150. Note: cable or a fiber price increases after 12 years. Optimum 2 gig download speed 2000 Mbps fiber. Monthly price $180. Monthly price after promo $230. Notes: fiber only limited areas. Optimum 5K download speed 5000 Mbps fiber. Monthly price $250. Monthly price after promo $300. Notes: fiber only limited areas. Optimum 8 gig download speed 8000 Mbps fiber. Monthly price $280. Monthly price after promo $330. Nodes: fiber only limited areas. Verizon Fuse price start at $49.99 per month for 300 Mbps and go up to $109.99 per month for 2 Gbps with a multi-year price lock and no surprise increases. Verizon 5G Home Internet starts at $35 per month with mobile bundle for up to 300 Mbps, up to $70 per month for 1 Gbps, all with a 3 to 4 year price lock. Optimum starts at $40 per month for 300 Mbps cable or fiber, but prices raise to $70 per month after 12 months. Multi-gig fiber plans are available in limited areas and are much more expensive, with the 8 Gbps plan costing $280 per month, which is $300 after promo. Summary: Optimum offer lower introductory prices, but Verizon Fuse and 5G Home providers more stable long-term pricing with multi-year guarantees. Optimum's price increases significantly after the first year, while Verizon's rates remained locked for several years, making Verizon the better value for most customers over time. Reliability and data caps comparison: Verizon versus Optimum. Verizon Fuse reliability excellent, fiber data cap none, customer satisfaction high. Verizon 5G Home reliability good, varies by area, data cap none, customer satisfaction good. Provider Optimum Cable reliability good, cable data cap none, Customer satisfaction mixed. Provider optimum fiber. Reliability excellent fiber. Data cap none. Customer satisfaction good. Optimum does not have formal data cap but may throttle speeds for excessive usage. Summary. Verizon Fios is consistently rated among the most reliable and satisfying ISPs with no data cap or throttling. Optimum Fiber is reliable where available, but Optimum Cable can have mixed reliability and customer service reviews. Both providers are contract free and include equipment. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.